Okay, so I have my pumpkin set up here. I've already decorated one side of it. It says be thankful. This is the side that I display after Halloween, so that period between Halloween and Thanksgiving. So on this side, I'm gonna apply the decal Happy Halloween. So I already have the transfer tape applied to my decal. So I'm just gonna turn it over, and you just wanna carefully lift up the paper to where the decal stays on the transfer tape. If you have any issues with the decal transferring over to the tape, you can just take a credit card and run it over the top of the transfer tape on this side to adhere it a little bit better. It's working so far for me. Okay, you can just discard this paper. You no longer need it. So now we have our transfer tape with our decal applied to the back of it. So here we have our pumpkin, and like I said, I'm gonna apply the decal to this side that's blank currently. Okay, so I've removed the decal off of that piece of paper, so we just have the decal on the transfer tape. Now what you wanna do is get your pumpkin, find the center, that looks pretty good right there. And you're gonna wanna push down just in the middle of the decal onto the pumpkin. And push down the middle like this. Then you just work out from there to the sides. And you just apply pressure with your finger. You have to make sure you get into the creases of the pumpkin. Okay, now that I've applied the left side of my decal, I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the transfer tape. You want to go slowly just to make sure that the decal is all the way on there. Okay, so now while that's sticking out, you're going to want to apply pressure now to the right side of your decal. You just go over each letter, get it in the creases. Okay, now let's lift it up again. We're going to do it slowly and just make sure that the decal is adhering to the pumpkin. There we go. Now I just go back over and push down all the letters, and there you go. You have your completed pumpkin with your decal on there, and I used outdoor quality vinyl on my pumpkin, so if you do put these outside and they get wet or it's too hot or it's too cold, depending on where you live, the decal will withstand on this pumpkin for up to 7 years, and that's if it was outside every day for 7 years. So it holds up pretty well, lasts you for years to come, and you don't have to carve a pumpkin every year, and you have something cute to either put outside or inside. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Again, here's my completed pumpkin. I have Happy Halloween on this side, and I have Be Thankful on this side, so I just need to turn it over, one side for October and one side for November. All right, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And make sure you check out my page on Facebook, just at 2 Little Bird Shop, and also on Instagram at 2 Little Bird Shop. All right, thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Bye.